Kia ora. That's hello in the melodic language of the Maori, the indigenous people of New Zealand. The Maori culture is rich with traditions, stories, and a deep connection to the land. Their language, Te Reo Maori, is an official language of New Zealand and is celebrated throughout the country. This island nation, nestled in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, is a place where ancient myths intertwine with breathtaking landscapes. From the rugged coastlines to the serene beaches, New Zealand's diverse geography offers a visual feast for the eyes. Picture snow-capped mountains mirrored in pristine lakes where the water is so clear you can see the reflection of the sky and the peaks above. These alpine regions are perfect for hiking, skiing, and simply soaking in the natural beauty. Rolling green hills dotted with sheep, a quintessential image of the New Zealand countryside. These pastoral scenes are not just picturesque, but also a testament to the country's thriving agricultural industry. And fjords so dramatic they seem ripped from the pages of a fantasy novel. The fjords, with their steep cliffs and deep waters, are a haven for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Kayaking, cruising, and exploring these natural wonders are experiences you won't forget. New Zealand is a land of contrasts where you can experience 4 seasons in a day. The weather can change rapidly, offering a unique blend of sunshine, rain, wind, and even snow, all within a few hours. This dynamic climate adds to the country's charm and unpredictability. And encounter unique wildlife like the curious kiwi bird, the country's national symbol. The kiwi, a flightless bird with a long beak and nocturnal habits, is a beloved icon of New Zealand. Efforts to protect and conserve this endangered species are ongoing, reflecting the nation's commitment to its natural heritage. But beyond its natural wonders, New Zealand offers a warm and welcoming culture. The people of New Zealand, known as Kiwis, are renowned for their hospitality and friendliness. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, you'll find a sense of community and a genuine willingness to share their way of life. A place where adventure and tranquility coexist in perfect harmony. From adrenaline-pumping activities like bungee jumping and skydiving to peaceful retreats in nature, New Zealand caters to all kinds of travelers. The country's diverse landscapes provide endless opportunities for exploration and relaxation. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the land of the long white cloud as Aotearoa in Maori. This enchanting destination promises not only stunning scenery, but also rich cultural experiences and adventures that will stay with you forever. Where every turn promises a new and exciting discovery. Whether you're driving along the scenic routes, hiking through lush forests, or exploring vibrant cities, New Zealand is a land of endless possibilities and unforgettable memories. Nestled on the shores of the glistening Lake Wakatipu, on New Zealand's South Island, Queenstown is a destination that needs to be seen to be believed. Often dubbed the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown is a place where adrenaline-pumping activities meet breathtaking scenery. Imagine bungee jumping off towering bridges, whitewater rafting through rugged canyons, and skiing down slopes with panoramic views. But Queenstown is more than just an adrenaline junkie's paradise. It's a vibrant town with a cosmopolitan atmosphere, boasting world-class restaurants, charming cafes, and boutique shops. Whether you're seeking thrills, relaxation, or a bit of both, Queenstown has something to offer every type of traveler. In Queenstown, adventure isn't just an activity, it's a way of life. Nestled in the heart of New Zealand's South Island, this picturesque town is a haven for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. For the thrill seekers, the options are endless. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a first-time adventurer, Queenstown has something to offer everyone. Take the plunge with the world's first commercial bungee jump at the Kawarau Bridge, where you can feel the rush of free-falling from a height of 43 meters. Or experience the exhilarating rush of whitewater rafting down the Shotova River. Navigate through the rapids and feel the power of the water as you make your way downstream. If soaring through the air is more your style, try ziplining through the forest canopy. Glide from tree to tree and take in the lush greenery from a unique vantage point. Or, for an even more breathtaking experience, go paragliding over the stunning scenery. Soar high above the mountains and lakes, and enjoy a bird's-eye view of Queenstown's natural beauty. For those who prefer a more laid-back approach to adventure, Queenstown offers plenty of options as well. Relax in one of the many charming cafes or take a leisurely stroll through the bustling streets of the town. Take a scenic hike through the surrounding mountains, enjoying breathtaking views of Lake Wakatipu and the Remarkables mountain range. The trails vary in difficulty, so there's something for everyone, from casual walkers to seasoned hikers. Or hop aboard the iconic TSS Earnslaw, a vintage steamship, for a leisurely cruise across the lake. As you glide over the crystal-clear waters, take in the stunning vistas and enjoy the serene atmosphere. Whether you're seeking thrills or tranquility, Queenstown truly has it all. The best time to visit Queenstown depends on your interests. For winter sports enthusiasts, the ski season runs from June to October, offering excellent conditions for skiing, snowboarding, and other snow-based activities. Summer, from December to February, brings warm weather and long daylight hours, perfect for hiking, biking, and water sports. Queenstown offers a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels. For a unique experience, consider staying at a lakeside lodge or a cozy chalet nestled in the mountains. When it comes to food, Queenstown won't disappoint. Be sure to sample the local delicacies, such as fresh seafood, lamb, and award-winning wines. Section 5. A gondola ride to remember. One of my most memorable experiences in Queenstown was taking a gondola ride to the top of Bob's Peak. As I ascended, the views of the town, lake, and surrounding mountains unfolded before me like a breathtaking panorama. At the top, I was greeted by even more stunning vistas, stretching as far as the eye could see. I spent hours exploring the summit, taking in the fresh mountain air and soaking up the beauty of the landscape. I even tried my hand at luging, racing down the mountainside on a small cart. It was an exhilarating experience that I'll never forget. Section 6. The culinary delights of Queenstown. Queenstown's culinary scene is as diverse and exciting as its adventure offerings. Nestled in the heart of New Zealand's South Island, this vibrant town is a haven for food lovers. From award-winning restaurants to cozy cafes, there's something to tantalize every palate. Whether you're a fan of international cuisine or local delicacies, Queenstown has it all. For a special occasion, indulge in a fine dining experience at one of the town's top-rated establishments, where you can savor dishes crafted from the freshest local ingredients. These restaurants often feature innovative menus that highlight the best of New Zealand's produce, meats, and seafood. For a more casual affair, head to one of the many cafes and bistros dotting the town center. These spots offer a relaxed atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. Here, you can enjoy a leisurely brunch, a quick lunch, or a coffee and cake break. Many of these cafes pride themselves on serving locally roasted coffee and freshly baked pastries. Be sure to try some of the local specialties, such as Vergburger, a Queenstown institution, fresh seafood chowder, and other regional dishes that showcase the unique flavors of the area. And don't forget to save room for dessert. Treat yourself to Hokey Pokey ice cream, a beloved New Zealand treat, or explore the variety of sweet offerings available in the town's charming dessert shops. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to enjoy a good meal, Queenstown's culinary delights are sure to leave a lasting impression. Section 7. Beyond the Buzz, Exploring the Region. While Queenstown itself offers endless opportunities for adventure and exploration, don't miss the chance to venture further afield and discover the surrounding region. Take a scenic drive along the shores of Lake Wakatipu, stopping at charming lakeside towns like Glenorchy and Kingston. For a truly unforgettable experience, embark on a day trip to Milford Sound, a fjord described by Rudyard Kipling as the eighth wonder of the world. Here you can cruise through towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush rainforests, marveling at the raw beauty of nature. Section 8. Queenstown, a tapestry of memories. My trip to Queenstown was more than just a vacation. It was an experience that left an indelible mark on my soul. From the adrenaline-pumping activities to the breathtaking scenery and the warm hospitality of the locals, every moment was filled with wonder and excitement. Queenstown is a place that stays with you long after you've left, a tapestry of memories woven from adventure, beauty, and the thrill of discovering a place that truly takes your breath away. It's a destination that I can't recommend highly enough, a place that should be on every traveler's bucket list. Section 9. Your New Zealand adventure awaits. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to experience the magic of New Zealand for yourself. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Queenstown has something to offer every type of traveler. Come and discover the beauty, the thrills, and the unforgettable experiences that await you in this remarkable corner of the world. Your New Zealand adventure awaits.